ॐ शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे वागर्धाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्धप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। आंगिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादितं नुमः सात्विकं शिवम् सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्धसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतु वाग्देव्यै नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अद्य एवं चिन्तितवन्तः सम्पूर्णं इदानीं अद्य पर्यन्तं यः कोऽपि पाठान् पठितवन्तः तान् सर्वान् एकवारं पुनरावर्तनं कुर्मः इति।
आचार्य महोदय,
आम्,
अहं प्रश्नद्वयं पृच्छामि।
आम्,
गतकक्षायाः couple of questions on that. May I? Okay. Okay. First, the slide number, I believe it was 7. Why do we say Kena pullinge bahuvachane? Should it not be Kaihi pullinge bahuvachane?
Yes.
Yeah, I think there are a couple of places like that.
Yeah, there are 2 places like that. And also in slide number 9, you use the word as a noun, Bharatiyaha.
Bharatiyaha.
How can it be? It should be Bharat. It should be Bharatyaha.
What was the word?
It is a ikar. It's the ikara, Bharati, and it should be like a nadi. So it should be Nadyaha, Bharatyaha. But you showed the slide as Bharatiyaha.
Bharatiyaha is people of Bharata.
I know, but I understand the meaning. But
no, Bharatiyaha.
Oh, Bharatiyaha. So it is a pullinga word.
Bharatiya. Bhavan Bharatiyaha.
Vayam
Vayam Bharatiyaha.
But it comes under the column Strilinga. You wrote it under the Strilinga words.
ओ एवं वा अहं पश्यामि महोदय अनन्तरं दृष्ट्वा वदामि
धन्यवादः
not checked I'll check and come back to you astu today we will do the revision of all the topics we have covered till today.
Okay.
So can you people like in the same order kramena eva gachamah, can you people, you yourselves ask your classmates questions? Can you do that?
Yes.
Astu. Then Ami Mahodaye bhavati prarambham karoti va?
धन्यवाद हीना महोदय सः कः म्यूट
सः रामः रामः किं करोति टु गायत्री महोदय
Yes. Yes, Hina Mahoday.
Yeah. रामः किं करोति
रामः पाठं पठति माधवी महोदय
महोदय भवत् सर्वे क्रमेण एव गच्छन्तु अथवा किं भवति इत्युक्ते if there is no order only you will be asking only those people you are very close to. Others will be left out. Don't do that.
I think Hina Mahoday next.
No.
Actually, I remains.
Anupama is there.
I'll ask Ganesh.
Mahoday.
Anupama Mahodaye asti.
Anupama.
Tam
Correct.
pruchatu.
Ganesh Mahodaya.
No.
Anupama Mahodaya, you ask.
Yes, I'll ask you, Ganesh Mahodaya.
Anupama Mahoday.
Gayatri Mahoday.
बालक किं पाठं पठति
बालकः रामायणं पठति and I'll ask the next person.
Ganesh
Mahoday. बालिका केन पिबति
बालिका जल पिबति
केन पिबति
बालिका पात्रेण पिबति राम कुत्र गच्छति the next person is
Yes, Haraprasad Mahoday.
Haraprasad Mahoday.
I finished.
Ram kutra gacchati?
No, I finished. So you ask Haraprasad Mahoday.
Yeah, you are on mute, Haraprasad Mahoday.
कृपया प्रश्नं पुनः पृच्छतु
राम कुत्र गच्छति
रामः कुत्र गच्छति रामः देवालयं गच्छति who is next Hina Hina महोदये अर्चकः कैः देवम् अर्चयति Hina Mahodaya?
You are on mute.
अर्चकः पुष्पैः देवान् पूजयत् देवं पूजयति।
Yeah.
सैनिकाः कैः प्रयाणं कुर्वन्ति? To whom I have to ask? Harsha Mahoday.
No, you have to ask Kalpana.
Kalpana. Achha.
Kalpana, Karthik.
Karthik Mahoday adya nasti.
No, we are very few of us. So you can ask, I think, Madhvi Mahoday or
Harsha Mahodaya. Harsha Mahodaya.
No, none of them are there in class right now, it seems.
Is not there.
Okay.
If you see the participant list, or if you put in gallery mode, you can see we are very few of us.
Right.
We're 15.
Chhatra. Okay, I will ask here. I will ask Madhvi Mahoday. Chhatraः कैः उद्याने क्रीडन्ति?
Chhatraः कैः Sir, can you ask, please? Can you ask one more time?
छात्राः कैः उद्याने क्रीडन्ति?
छात्राः कन्दुकैः उद्यानं क्रीडन्ति। उद्याने क्रीडन्ति। निर्मल महोदय, मुरलीधर महोदय। रामः वनेषु कुत्र वसति?
पंचवटी
कुटीरे रामः वनेषु कुटीरे वसति. My question to Nirmal
Mahodaya.
छात्रः कया गच्छति?
छात्रः द्विचक्रिकाया गच्छति.
द्विचक्रिकया गच्छति वा द्विचक्रिकाया गच्छति वा?
द्विचक्रिकया गच्छति.
And what is the question? Kaya?
How?
Strilingi.
By with what? By with what?
द्विचक्रिका स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः, अतः द्विचक्रिकया.
I'll ask to
प्रिया महोदय.
प्रिया महोदय. छात्राः के पठन्ति?
छात्राः
के पठन्ति?
छात्राः पुस्तकेन पठन्ति. By which, right? Is that right, Mahoday?
पुस्तकं पठन्ति. सम्यक् अस्ति. पुस्तकेन
Okay. Okay, next question to is it to Sundari Mahoday?
हाँ, रमेश महोदय.
Okay. शिक्षकः कैः लिखति?
शिक्षकः लेखन्यैः लिखन्ति.
शिक्षकः वा शिक्षकाः वा?
शिक्षकः लिखति.
लिखति. सुंदरी हाँ
न श्रूयते।
एषा का सुंदरी महोदय श्रूयते वा? श्रूयते? एषा का? एषा का?
एषा बालिका। एषा बालिका।
संतोष महोदयं पृच्छतु।
संतोष महोदय, कस्य अग्रजः रामः? संतोष महोदय, कस्य अग्रजः रामः?
अनम्यूट। संतोष महोदय।
लक्ष्मणस्य अग्रजः रामः।
लक्ष्मणस्य अग्रजः रामः।
लक्ष्मणस्य अग्रजः रामः।
रामः। सम्यक्।
विन्ध्या अस्ति इदानीं।
संतोष महोदय, आप यू आस्क क्वेश्चन। विद्या महोदय।
कुन्ती कस्य जननी?
विन्ध्या। विन्ध्या नास्ति वा?
कुन्ती पंचपांडवास् जननी।
पांडवानां पांडवास् जननी। आंग्लभाषा अस्ति, अतः पांडवानां जननी। अस्तु, इदानीम् एवं कुर्मः। एकवचनं बहुवचनं झटिति वक्तव्यं। बालकः बालकाः एवं। अमी महोदय प्रारम्भं करोतु। पंच। at least 5 words you should you should ask.
I should ask. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, one is vanam. Am I asking to someone or am I waiting?
Yes, you have to ask somebody.
I straight away ask 5 questions.
Yes.
And
okay. You should ask, they will write down or they will remember what you asked and they will answer.
Okay, okay. So I will ask by alphabetical order, correct?
Yeah, same order you have to follow.
Anupama ji, here go. I'm trying to keep it easy. Balika, Javanika, Sanganakam, Hari, Dindarshika.
What was the last word?
What is the last word?
Dindarshika.
Dindarshika.
So now I tell the plural forms.
Yes. Be quick.
Okay.
You can't be so slow.
Balika, balikaah, Javanika, javanikaah, Hari, Harim, Harayah, Sanganakam, Sanganakaah, Dinadarshika, Dinadarshikaah.
How many correct? Ami Mahoday?
1.5.
Balika is correct. Balikaha. Then Javanikaha is correct. Then Harayaha is correct. Then Sanganakani, right?
Astu, very good. Astu, Anupama Mahodaye, idanim bhavati kam pruchhati? Ganesh Mahodayam pruchhati.
आम महोदय. गणेश महोदय, छात्रः, बालकः, कन्दुकं, वनं, लेखनी.
छात्रः, छात्राः, छात्राः, बालकः, बालकः, कन्दुकं,
Ask. Get it.
कन्दुकानि, वनं, वनानि, लेखनी, लेखन्या,
लेखन्यः.
लेखन्या.
अस्तु, इदानीं भवान् गायत्री महोदयां पृच्छतु.
ओके, गायत्री महोदय, कविः, रामः, गुरवः, पुरुषः, and अध्यापकः.
कवि रामः, गुरुः,
कवि, मुनिः, रामः, पुरुषः, अध्यापकः.
You told guru, right? First.
Yes, guru.
No, it's okay. He can change. No problem. Whatever he asks, you must answer.
I was waiting for guru.
Okay.
Just repeat. Sorry. Guru, Kavi, Ramah, Muni, Adhyapakah,
Purushah.
Purushah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Kavi, Kavayah, Rama, Ramaha, Guru, Guruvaha, Adhyapaka, Adhyapakaha, Purushaha, Purushaha.
Perfect.
Ha, Guru, tatra, Guruhu, tatra bahuvachanam पुनः एकवारं वदतु महोदय.
Yes.
Guruhu?
Guruhu.
No. Guravah.
Guravaha, but I heard as Guruvaha. So I just wanted to confirm. Guravaha. Astu. Idanim bhavati Haraprasad Mahodayam pruchhatu.
Haraprasad Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
Yes, 1 minute. I just wrote some words.
I can't hear you.
You can't take so much time.
Sorry.
Be quick.
Yes. I wrote some words. Okay. Margaha. Then Danikaha. Okay. Then Prahelika. Then Nanakaham. Dunam. Drinam.
Gunam.
Drinam.
Huh?
Drinam. Drinam.
I don't understand.
Drinam.
Drinam. I don't know what drinam is.
Turunam.
Trinam api na chalati tena vina asti kila
Chuna.
Trinam, yes.
Okay. First word, Margaha. Margaha. I believe the second word is Ganakaha.
Dhanikaha. Dhanikaha.
Oh, Dhanikaha. 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 And the third word, please.
Wait. Third word is Prahelika.
Prahelika is the Strilinga word. Prahelikaha. Prahelikaha. And the next word?
Nanakam.
Nanakam, Nanakani.
Trinam.
Trunam. Trunam.
Trinam. Trinam.
Trunam means glass?
Mm.
Ah, okay. Trunam, Trunani.
Astu Mahodaya. Idanim Bhavan Pruchatu. Whom will you ask? Harsha. Harsha Mahodayam Pruchatu.
Harsha Mahodaya. Okay. Kunchika. Kunchika Sanganakam Brahmanaha Varnaha and Sita.
Okay. Kunchika, Kunchikaha. Sanganakam, Sanganakani. Brahmana, Brahmanaha. Varna, Varnani. Sita, Sitaha.
Okay.
Varnaha va, Varnam va Mahodaya, Bhavan.
Yeah.
I said Varnam.
Oh, Varnam. You say Varnam, that's why Varnani, I say.
Okay.
But it's
Astu.
Varnaha, then it's Varnaha.
Astu. Bhavati Hina Mahodayam Pruchatu Mahoday.
Okay. Vaiyakarana. Vaiyakaranaha. Manibandhaha. Nadi. Bhupati. And Matulaha.
वैयाकरणाः मणिबन्धः मणिबन्धाः नदी नद्यः भूपति भूपतय मातुल मातुल्यः.
Samyak va? Harsha Mahodaye?
Yeah, Samyak.
Matulaha. Matulaha sa kim?
Matulaha.
Matulaha, sorry.
Not Matulaha.
And Bhupati, Bhupatyaha.
Bhupatayah. Bhupatihi, Bhupatayah.
Bhupatihi. Oh, okay.
तत्र विसर्गं सम्यक् उच्चारितव्यम्. अस्तु हीना महोदये भवती कल्पना अद्य नास्ति किल? अस्तु भवती माधवी महोदयां पृच्छतु. But you should ask fast. You people are doing it slowly.
Raghu. Raghu. Nartaki. Purushah. Kavihi. And
one more.
And Velani.
Okay. Raghuhu. Raghuvaha.
Right.
नर्तकी नर्तक्यः, पुरुषः पुरुषाः, कवि कवयः, वेलनी वेलन्यः.
Yeah, correct.
धन्यवादः.
तत्र रघुः, तत्र बहुवचनं किम् अस्ति?
रघवः.
अस्तु, इदानीं भवती मुरलीधरन् महोदयं पृच्छतु.
मुरलीधरन् महोदय, भानुः, कपिः, चित्रं, तृणं, सहोदरी.
बाणवः, कपयः, चित्राणि. Next is what?
तृणं.
तृणानि.
Yeah, I think she wants. Okay.
Then
सहोदरी.
सहोदर्यः. सहोदर्यः.
Correct.
सहोदर्यः.
सहोदर्यः.
सहोदर्यः. My question is to
निर्मल महोदय.
निर्मल. वैद्या, अध्यापकः, हरिः, पिता, उत्पीठिका.
विद्या,
वैद्या, वैद्या.
हाँ, विद्याः, अध्यापका, अध्यापकाः. Then पिता, पिताः.
पितृः.
See, this pita shabdam we have not, rikaranta we have not taught in the class.
Okay.
Janakah you can use instead.
Janakah.
Janakah, Janakaha. Okay, what is the other one you asked?
Utpitika.
Utpitika, Utpitikaha.
The first one is Vaidyaha, right?
Vaidya.
Vidya, Striling.
Oh, Striling, Vaidya.
Yeah.
Okay.
इदानीं निर्मल महोदय, प्रिया महोदयं पृच्छतु.
ओके. युवती, चालनी, कर्तरी, सुधाखंड, फलम.
युवती, युवत्यः, चालनी, चालन्यः, कर्तरी, कर्तर्यः, सुधाखण्डं, सुधाखण्डानि, फलं, फलानि.
महोदय,
Is it right?
वदतु, सा सम्यक् उक्तवती वा न वा?
निर्मल महोदय.
सम्यक् सम्यक्.
सुधाखण्डः, अस्तु. प्रिया महोदय, इदानीं रमेश महोदयं पृच्छतु.
ओके, रमेश महोदय, शिशुः, दर्वी, नटी, नक्षत्रम्, उपनेत्रम्.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः प्रिया महोदय. The first one, can you please repeat the first one?
शिशुः.
शिशवः. दर्वी, yeah, शिशुशवः. शिशवः. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello.
आं महोदय.
दर्वी, दर्व्यः, नटी, नट्यः, नक्षत्रं, नक्षत्रम्, उपनेत्राणि.
आं सम्यक् महोदय.
श्रूयते वा?
रमेश महोदय इदानीं भवान्
सुन्दरी सुन्दरी
संतोष
महोदय
संतोष
संतोष महोदय ओ संतोष महोदय मणिबन्धः रविः भानुः शम्भुः पत्रम् सम्यक् श्रूयते वा?
You're on mute. You're on mute, Santosh.
Okay. Please, can you repeat it? Manibandha Ravi.
मणिबन्धः रविः भानुः शम्भुः पत्रम्
Manibandha is Manibandha. Manibandha. Ravi Ravya. And I did not see what is the third one, Balu.
Banuhu. Banuhu.
Banu.
Ukaranta.
Okay, Banuhu. Banuhu. Then it is. And Shambhu is Shambhuva. Shambhuva. And Patram is Patrani. Patrani.
Manibandha is Manibandha is Manibandhani. Manibandha, sorry. Manibandha. Ravi is Ravayah.
Ravyaha.
Ravayah.
And third one is, I didn't understand what is Balu.
Banuhu is Banavaha. Banavaha.
Okay, Banavaha.
Shambhuhu is Shambhavaha.
Shambhava.
Both are Ukaranta.
And Patram is Patrani.
Dhanyavada.
Bhanuhu is like another name for sun.
Okay, Bhanu. Bhanu is Bhanuva.
Yes, Bhanava. Bhanuhu Bhanavaha.
Bhanuvaha.
Guruhu Guravaha. Shishuhu Shishavaha. Like that.
Yeah.
You must remember. Astu. Idanim bhavati Sundari Mahodayam pruchati.
Okay, I am asking Sundari Mahoday. It is Shambhu. Shambhu first, Muni, Marichi, Petika, and Sahodri.
Sahodari. Shambhuhu Shambhava. Shambhuhu Shambhavaha. Munihi Munivaya. Marichi Ikarandaha. Marichyaha. Petikaha. Sahodari.
Yeah, it is okay. Good.
Sahodaryaha. Idanim Sundari Mahodaye Vindhyam pruchatu.
Who?
Vindhya.
Vindhya. Okay. First one Kapihi, second Mandiram, third Bidala, fourth Karandakaha, fifth Janani.
Vindhya
can you repeat Mother? I couldn't hear properly.
Kapihi.
Okay.
Mandiram.
Okay.
Bidala.
Okay.
Karandakaha. And the last one, Janani.
Okay. Kapi, Kapayaha, Mandiram, Mandirani, Bidala, Bidalaha,
Karandakaha.
Karandakaha. I don't know that. Janani, Jananyaha. Fourth one, I don't know.
Karandakaha, Karandakaha. This Kara is pullinga.
Okay.
It means basket.
Idanim evam kurmah karma padam upayujya vakyani rachitavyam. You will give 2 words and 1 kriya padam. So your classmate will make a sentence using karma padam. Astu. Vindhya, can you give 1 kriya padam and 2 words to Ami Mahoday? Vindhya? Not there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'll pass. I don't know the question.
Okay. Astu. Sundari Mahodaye, Bhavati eva Ami Mahodayam Kinchit.
Ami Mahodaye Likati Davati.
No, one kriya padam and 2 words, so that she will frame a sentence using karma padam. For example, I will give you one example. Janakaha. Janakaha Patham Pathayati is there, no? So you will say only that kriya padam Pathayati Janakaha Putraha. That's all.
Okay.
Like that.
Likati Balika Grihapatam.
Ami Mahoday.
Dhanyavad Sundari Mahoday. Balika Grihapatham Likhati.
Samyak.
Okay. My turn to ask?
Yes, Anupama.
Okay. Anupama Mahoday.
Mahoday.
Bhavanti Phalam Madhuram. Sorry, did I do it right? Okay, I'll give you another one. Sorry.
Yes.
Mushakaha Kridanti Bhojanam.
Mushikaha Kridanti and Bhojanam.
I'm trying to say the mouse are playing with food.
Mushikaha Bhojanam Kridanti.
It's Mushakaha, right? If it's Kridanti.
Kridanti would be the Kriya Padam.
No, what I mean to say is the Karta will also be Bahuvachan, right?
Kridanti. Okay. Mushikaha. Is that right?
Yes. Mushakaha Bhojanam Kridanti.
Kridanti. Would the sentence be correct?
Yes. I mean, Sanskrit, any which ways it'll go, right?
Can I try that?
Yes.
मूषिकाः भोजनैः क्रीडन्ति.
अस्तु. इदानीं कः पृच्छति?
Can you please so मूषिकाः भोजनैः क्रीडन्ति. So there is one karta, one karma and one kriya padam.
Yes.
Is that what you? I thought you said one kriya padam and two karma padam.
No, two karma padam. How will you manage? You need
No, I understand that. I thought you wanted two karma padam.
No.
No. Okay.
2 words, simply 2 words. You give 2 words. The other person will frame his or her own sentence, making one karta, one karma, like that. Astu. Idanim Anupama Mahodaya va?
Mahodaya. Ganesh Mahodaya. Pachati Rotika Mahila.
Mahila rotika what you said the last word?
Pachati.
Pachati. Mahila rotika pachanti.
No, it would be Mahila rotikam.
Rotikam.
Pachati.
Cooks.
My question will be to Gayatri Mahoday. So, Danavaha, Deve, Dhavanti.
Can you Devaha?
You can make it changed. So the word. So yeah, Devah, Danavah, Dhavanti. So Danav are running behind Deva.
Devaha, Dhanam, Devanti.
Danavaha, Devasya.
Danavaha, Devasya, Dhavanti.
Devasya nasti.
Devaha. Nahi.
Devasya Puratah Dhavanti.
Puratah, Puratah athava Prushthatah. That you have learned, not learned, so make it something easier.
You want to say something else?
I will say one thing. Right.
Devan Pashyan Dhavanti.
Question.
First question I will say. Narupaha Dandaha Gachati.
One minute, please. Kanakanapan, please. Yes, repeat.
Narupaha.
I'm not able to hear. Can you? Yeah.
Nirupaha.
It's missing. Your voice is just not clear.
Nirupaha.
Nirupaha.
Nirupaha Dandaha Gachati.
Nirupaha Dandaha.
Dandaha Gachati.
Acharya Mahodaya, I don't understand the sequence. After Gayatri, it is me. How did this person came up?
Sorry, I just.
I mean, let's have an order.
Astu Mahodaya.
Okay, Ganesh Mahodaya, you ask. Okay, I'll ask otherwise.
You ask Hari Prasad Mahoday.
Okay. Haraprasad Mahoday. Agachati Shwaha Matula.
Matulaha.
Matula.
Shwaha. Matula?
Matula only, not Matulaha.
Yeah, Matula is not there, no? Matulani is there.
Yeah, Matulani is correct. So tell me the words again, please.
Agachati, Shwaha, Matulani.
Matulani, Shwaha, Agashyati.
Agamishyati.
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 Agamishyati. Agamishyati. Okay, my turn, and I will give 3 words to
Harsha Mahoday.
Harsha Mahoday. Harsha Mahoday, the verb is pibantu, and the 2 words are bhavantaha panakam.
Bhavantaha panakam pibantu.
Correct.
Now my turn. Sangeetagna, Sangeet Janati.
Madhavi Mahoday.
No, I will speak.
Hina Mahoday asti kila.
Sangeetagyaha Sangeetam Janati. Sangeetam Janati.
Janati or Jananti?
Ekavachane Janati.
Singular.
Right.
Okay.
It is Sangeetagyaha.
Bhavati Madhavim pruchatu.
I will ask the question. Yeah. Brahmaraha Pushpam Upavishati. To whom I have to ask? Madhavi Mahoday. Brahmaraha Pushpam Upavishati.
Brahmaraha Pushpen, is it? Okay, Pushpam. Pushpena upavisati.
No, Pushpasya upari.
I'm sorry, what is the
Pushpasya upari?
Upavishati.
Can you tell me the last word, please?
Upavishati.
Upavishati. Is it Pushpasya? So meaning the Brahmara is sitting on the Pushpam.
Pushpa, so Pushpe Upavishati, is it right, madam?
Pushpe.
Pushpe Upavishati.
Okay, Brahmaraha Pushpe
Upavishati. Upavishati.
Yeah.
Is it
not Pushpena?
Yeah.
Pushpe.
Okay.
On.
Where? Question.
Correct,
Where?
correct.
Brahmaraha.
Pushpe.
Rame. Yep.
Bhavati Muralidhara Mahodayam pruchatu.
Muralidharan Mahodaya, Balika Kunchika Rachayati.
Balika Kunchikaya Rachayati. Correct? Kunchikaya. Right?
Vadatu Mahodaye. Samyakasti va?
Kunchikabhi.
Kunchikaya.
Kunchikaya. Okay.
Kunchikaya. Whatever she does. Astu.
Okay. So my question was, the girl is painting with the brush.
Kunchikaya.
Okay.
Okay. My question to
Kurcha, no? It is not Kunchika. Kunchika means a key.
Kurchena.
Thank you.
Astu. Idanim kah? निर्मल महोदय.
निर्मल. आरक्षकः दण्डः ताडयति. आरक्षकः दण्डः ताडयति.
आरक्षकः दण्डं ताडयति.
दण्डेन.
दण्डेन ताडयति. दण्डेन ताडयति.
निर्मल महोदय, भवान् पृच्छतु.
महिला घटः नयति.
महिला महिला घटे नयति. महिलाः नो महिला घटाः नयति. What is the correct one, Nirmal Mahoday?
It should be महिला घटं नयति.
घटं.
अस्तु, भवती रमेश महोदयं पृच्छतु.
रमेश महोदय, गच्छति मन्दिरं वयं.
वयं मन्दिरं गच्छन्ति.
वयं
गच्छामि.
वयं वयं
गच्छामः. 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 नेक्स्ट संतोष महोदय. संतोष महोदय. पतति ग्रीष्मकालं फलम्. संतोष महोदय, you got it?
पतति ग्रीष्मकालं
फलं. Yeah.
ग्रीष्मकालं फलानि पतति.
फलं ग्रीष्मकाले पतति.
ओके.
अस्तु.
फलं
ग्रीष्मकाले पतति.
ग्रीष्मकाले पतति. ओके.
तावदेव. अस्तु, धन्यवादः.
सुन्दरी महोदयं पृच्छतु.
ओके. बालकः खादति फलः.
बालकाः फलानि खादन्ति. My question to Vindhya. ग्रन्थालयः वयं पठति. ग्रन्थालयः वयं पठति.
वयं ग्रन्थालयः पठति.
वयं
ग्रन्थालये पठति.
ग्रन्थालये
पठामः. वयं
पठामः.
अस्तु, इदानीं संख्याः उपयुज्य अभ्यासं कुर्मः वा? एवं करणीयम्. up to 10 you will say and ask the next person to say the reverse. Then from 11 to 20 reverse, like that. Vindhya, up to 10.
एकं, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश.
अमी महोदय.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, द्वे एकम.
Next is Ganesh Mahoday, Anupama Mahoday, kila. Now, Ami Mahoday, you tell the next 11 to 20 and ask her to reverse.
Okay. एकादश, द्वादश, त्रयोदश, चतुर्दश, पंचदश, षोडश, सप्तदश, अष्टादश, नवदश, विंशतिः. विंशतिः.
I'll do the reverse, Mahoday. Vimshatihi, Navadasha, Ashtadasha, Saptadasha, Shodasha, Panchadasha, Chaturdasha, Trayodasha, Dvadasha, Ekadasha.
Now you will ask, you will say 21 to 30 and next person will reverse.
Mahoday. Ekavimshatihi, Dvavimshatihi, Trayovimshatihi, Chaturvimshatihi, Panchavimshatihi, Shadvimshatihi, Saptavimshatihi, Ashtavimshatihi, Navavimshatihi, Trimshat. Ganesh Mahoday.
Yeah.
You can do the reverse.
So, Trinshat, Navavinshati, Ashtavinshat, Saptavinshat.
Vimshatihi.
Saptavinshatihi, Shadavinshatihi, Panchavinshatihi, Chaturvinshatihi, Trinivinshatihi, Trayovinshatihi, Dvavinshatihi, Ekavinshat.
31 to 40.
Ekatrinshat, Dvayatrinshat. I'm sorry, I'm not sure, but I'm just trying. Traitrinshat, Chaturtrinshat, Panchatrinshat. Is it going incorrect?
Yeah, your friends will correct.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, please.
And
Trayas and Chatus.
Chatustrinshat, Panchatrinshat, Shadatrinshat, Shattrinshat, Saptatrinshat, Ashtatrinshat, Navatrinshat, Chatvarinch.
Gayatri Mahoday.
Chatvarinshad, Navatrinshat, Ashtatrimshat, Saptatrimshat, षट्त्रिंशत्, Panchatrinshat, Chatustrimshat, Trayatrimshat, Dvatrimshat, Ekatrimshat.
Any mistakes there? Did anybody notice any mistakes there?
Dvatrimshat.
Trayatrimshat.
Trayastrimshat.
Okay.
Each and every varnam is very important. You cannot leave out anything. Okay. Astu. Idanim 40. No. She has to say 41 to 50. Then you will reverse.
Ekachatvarimshat, Dvichatvarimshat, Trichatvarimshat, Chatushchatvarimshat, Panchachatvarimshat, Shadchatvarimshat, Saptachatvarimshat, Ashtachatvarimshat, Navachatvarimshat, Panchashat.
Haraprasad. Reverse.
I have to say it in reverse, right? Okay. Panchashat, Navachatvarimshat, Ashtachatvarimshat, Saptachatvarimshat, चत्वारिंशत् सप्तचत्वारिंशत् चतुष् पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् चत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् and चत्वारिंशत्.
Now you had to say 51 to 60.
Okay. 51 to 60. एक पंचाशत् द्विपञ्चाशत् त्रिपञ्चाशत् चतुः पञ्चाशत् पञ्चपञ्चाशत्
चतुष्पञ्चाशत्
चतुष्पञ्चाशत्.
No, it is चतुः.
No, chatush.
No, both are correct. Continue.
Yeah. पञ्चपञ्चाशत् षट्पञ्चाशत् सप्तपञ्चाशत् अष्टपञ्चाशत् नवपञ्चाशत् षष्टिः.
Who is next? Madhavi Mahodeva.
Harsha.
Harsha Mahoday.
Okay. Sashtihi navpanchashata ashtapanchashata.
Shat. You have to. Shata is different. Shata is 100. Shat. Shata. You cannot say shata. You say shat. Panchashat.
Shat panchashata. Sapta panchashata. Shad panchashata. Pancha panchashata. Chatush panchashata.
Panchashat.
Chatush panchashat. Tri panchasata. Dvi panchasata. Sata. Ek panchasata.
Panchashat iti asti kila. Tat panchashat. There is a halantam there.
Halanta.
So your pronunciation should be according to that. Okay. If you say shata, that is different. Shat.
Okay.
Now
Ekashashti. 61. Ekasashtihi. Dvisashtihi. Trisashtihi. Chatusashtihi. Panchashtihi. Shadshashtihi. Saptasashtihi. Ashtasashtihi. Navasashtihi. Saptitihi. Saptati.
I will speak.
No, it is Ashta, just Ashta, right?
Saptatihi, Navashashtihi, Ashtashashtihi, Saptashashtihi, Shatashashtihi, Shashtihi, Panchashashtihi, Chatuhu Shashtihi, Trishashtihi, Dvishashtihi, Ekashashtihi.
71.
Ekasaptati, Dvisaptati, Trisaptati, Chatusaptati, hi, Panchasaptati, Chatusaptati, Shatasaptati, Saptati, Ashtasaptati, Navashaptati, Ashitihi.
Madhavi.
Ashitihi, Navasaptatihi, Ashtasaptatihi, Saptasaptatihi, Shatsaptatihi, Panchasaptatihi, चतुस्सप्ततिः, त्रिसप्ततिः, द्विसप्ततिः, एकसप्ततिः।
81
अशीतिः, अशीतिः, sorry, एकाशीतिः,
द्व्यशीतिः,
द्व्यशीतिः, त्रयशीतिः, चतुर्शीतिः, चतुरशीतिः, पञ्चाशीतिः, षड्शीतिः, षडशीतिः, सप्ताशीतिः, अष्टाशीतिः, नवशीतिः, नवतिः।
I have to say that.
Mahoday.
I have to say in reverse. Navatihi, Navashitihi, Ashtashitihi, Saptashitihi, Shatshitihi, Panchashitihi, Chatushitihi, Trayashitihi, Dvayashitihi, Ekashitihi. Now 91 to 100. Ekanavatihi, Dvinavatihi, Trinavatihi, Chaturnavatihi, Panchanavatihi, Shannavatihi, Saptanavatihi, Ashtanavatihi, Navanavatihi, Satam.
Reverse.
Muralidharan Mahodaya, what did you say for 96? Come again, please.
Shannavatihi.
Shannavatihi. Shannavatihi. Shannavatihi.
Yeah. Correct, no?
Yes, yes, it is correct. Nirmal Mahodaya.
Yeah. Sata नवतिः, अष्टनवतिः, सप्तनवतिः, षड्नवतिः, पंचनवतिः, चतुर्नवतिः, चतुर्नवतिः, त्रयनवतिः, द्विनवतिः, एकनवतिः।
अस्तु। इदानीं we have done up to 100, no? So now what you have to do is you will jump one number like ekam, trini, pancha, like that. Let us see how you do it. Mahoday.
My cognitive functions are not that good.
You try.
Okay.
We are all in the same boat, Mahodaya.
Astu, Nirmal Mahodaya, start.
एक त्रीणि पंच सप्त नव एकादश त्रयोदश पंचदश सप्तदश ऊनविंशति एकविंशति त्रयोविंशति पंचविंशति सप्तविंशति नवविंशति।
पर्याप्तम्। इदानीं प्रिया महोदय।
From Navavimshati Mahodaya or from beginning?
From Trimshad, no? Where did he start?
Navavimshatihi.
28.
Okay.
नवविंशतिः एकत्रिंशत् त्रयस्त्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत् नवत्रिंशत् एकविंशतिः चत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् त्रयश्चत्वारिंशत् पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् सप्तचत्वारिंशत् नवचत्वारिंशत् एकपञ्चाशत् त्रिपञ्चाशत् पञ्चपञ्चाशत् सप्तपञ्चाशत् नवपञ्चाशत्
enough. Agrimam Ramesh Mahodaya. 2 4 like that.
Okay. Dvisashtihi, Chatushashtihi, Shatshashtihi, Astasashtihi, Saptatihi, Dvisaptatihi, Chatushaptatihi, Shatsaptatihi, Astasaptatihi, Ashitihi, Dvashatihi, Chatushitihi, Shatitihi, Astasitihi, Navatihi,
अस्तु
द्विनवतिः
अस्तु महोदय
पर्याप्तं धन्यवादः
संतोष महोदय नास्ति वा I think she is not there. Sundari Mahoday.
Svinavatihi, Chaturnavatihi, Shadnavatihi, Ashtanavatihi, Shatam. Now, Dve, Chatvari, Shad, Ashta, Dasha, Dwadasha, Chaturdasha, Shodasha, Ashtadasha, Vimshatihi.
Enough. Vindhya. Now 5 numbers.
From where I should start?
Start from 10.
10. Reverse?
Not reverse.
Okay. Ekadasha.
No. 5 numbers you have to jump.
5 numbers. I'm sorry. Ekam, Pancha, Dasha, Panchadasha, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry.
Astu. Next, we will go to Kim Kutra Kati Kada. Ami Mahoday.
So we have to form sentences?
Yeah. We have to do it very fast. Time is very less.
This is like quick fire challenge.
You please, all of you work and frame quizzes so that the next time we can do that also. In every class, you discuss and decide who will do quiz in, prepare the quiz in which part.
Kim Kati Kada.
Kim Kutra Kati Kada.
Kim Kutra Kati Kada. Okay. Janani Kim Karoti. Janani Kutra Gachami.
Gachati.
Vayam, sorry. Janani Kati Vadane Agachami.
Agachati.
Agachati. जननी कदा रोटिकां पचति
पचति अनुपमा
महोदय रामः किं करोति रामः कुत्र वसति रामः कति वादने पठति रामः कदा गच्छति
बालिका किं करोति बालिका कुत्र गच्छति बालिका कति वादने गच्छति बालिका कदा जलं पिबति
गायत्री महोदय
शिक्षकाः किं करोति
शिक्षकाः किं कुर्वन्ति
शिक्षकाः किं कुर्वन्ति शिक्षकाः कति पुस्तकम् अस्ति शिक्षकाः कदा आगच्छन्ति शिक्षकाः कुत्र पठिष्यन्ति
Kada is
when
yeah okay agachati okay thank you
अग्रिमः
हरप्रसादः
वदतु महोदय
मातुलानि किं करोति मातुलानि कुत्र गच्छति मातुलानि कति फलानि खादति मातुलानि कदा उत्तिष्ठति next one is
Harsha Mahoday.
महिला किं करोति महिला कुत्र गच्छति महिला कति वादने ग्रन्थालये गच्छति महिला कदा ग्रन्थालये गच्छति
ग्रन्थालयं गच्छति
ग्रन्थालयं
हीना महोदय
भक्तः कति वादने पूजयति बालकः किं करोति मुषकः कुत्र वसति कोयलः कदा पूजति
कोयलः नास्ति कोकिलः
कोकिलः
माधवी महोदय
पुत्री किं करोति पुत्री स्वः कुत्र गमिष्यति पुत्री परस्वः कति वादने परीक्षा अस्ति
पुत्री इति नास्ति
पुत्री परश्वः कति वादने परीक्षा अस्ति
पुत्र्याः her exam no
it's a question right
it's okay but whose exam are you asking putriyah
I'm asking putri like it's sambhoshana
you are asking hey putri then you have to say hey putri
okay
sambodhana I have not learnt
yeah हे पुत्री परश्वः कतिवादने परीक्षा अस्ति
परीक्षा भविष्यति इति अपि वक्तुं शक्यते because परश्वः no
So next one is also yeah. He putri kada gruham agamishyami.
Agamishyati.
Okay. If it is putri kada gruham agamishyati or he putri.
He putri. When you are addressing your daughter, it is he putri. When you are addressing somebody, he.
Agamishyati.
He putra, he putri.
He putra.
Like that. Agrima?
किं करोति छात्रः कुत्र वसति कति छात्राः सन्ति छात्राः कदा समये उत्तिष्ठति
Kada uttishtati is enough. Kada samaye iti.
Okay. Kada.
Yeah. कति बालकाः कदा कुत्र किं पाठं पठन्ति
Shortcuts, huh?
I will short, so we.
अस्तु समयाभावः अपि अस्ति अतः shortcuts. अस्तु अग्रिमः.
ओके सैनिकाः किं कुर्वन्ति सैनिकाः कुत्र गच्छन्ति सैनिकाः कति वादने उत्तिष्ठन्ति सैनिकाः कदा रक्षन्ति
संतोष महोदय वा
No, Ramesh Mहोदय.
रमेश महोदय.
कति फलानि सन्ति जननी किं करोति बालकः कुत्र गच्छति बालकः कदा क्रीडति अस्तु महोदय धन्यवादः.
संतोष महोदय वा नास्ति इति मन्ये.
महोदय नास्ति.
सुन्दरी महोदय.
गजाः किं कुर्वन्ति गजाः कुत्र वसन्ति गजाः कति गजाः सन्ति गजाः कदा आहारं खादन्ति.
विन्ध्या वा विन्ध्या अस्ति वा नास्ति वा
अस्ति
अस्मि.
I'm sorry because I have not attended many classes. So till number I have attended. And I'll just.
So we want to try next time.
Yeah.
अस्तु इदानीं समयः अभवत् वयं समापयामः. अग्रिमकक्ष्यायाम् एवं कुर्वन्तु किञ्चित् प्रश्ननिर्माणं कृत्वा in each topic from the beginning all the topics one topic in a class you should cover in the alphabetical order only. Okay, प्रथमम् अमी महोदय एव करोति प्रथमकक्ष्यायाम्.
No, I didn't follow exactly.
See, what you have to do is frame like it's like a quiz. For last 10 minutes, we will do that quiz. We will play that quiz and from the beginning all the topic, one topic per class.
Like, can you give an example? I'm still not following.
See, if it is karma padam, she will prepare some questions and ask everybody in the class.
Oh, okay, okay. So next week she will ask all the questions, and
Yes.
then
The next to that next class, Anupama Mahodaya will do like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
In a different topic.
First chapter is addressing a person.
Mahodaye, today we were
Mahodaye.
Yeah, one person at a time, please.
Mahodaye, today because both Preeti and Yogesh ji are not available, we couldn't do the sketch.
Yes, I
Can we do
received a
next week?
message. Preeti Mahodaya, she messaged me. Today Karthik Mahodaya also messaged me. Rita Mahodaya, everybody messaged. They had some, they were not in a position to attend. So no problem. We will do it next week. It's not a problem.
Okay, Mahodaye. Dhanyawad.
Ramesh Mahodaya, you were saying something?
Mahodaya, the first chapter is introduction, Mahodaya. Addressing it.
Introduction part, you can leave it out, I think. Everybody knows, no? Bhavatah nama kim bhavatyah. I don't think that requires revision.
So the first class is
So Ami Mahodaya will prepare questions in that. Karoti va, Mahodaya?
On what is it?
Yeshaha saha, yesha sa, etat tat. Okay.
Yes.
Astu. Samapayamah. Mahodaya.
No. I have, can I?
Vadatu, Mahodaya.
Yeah. Kshamyetan, the Bharatiya, it was under the Pullinga, so I was wrong. So that's fine. That is one. And secondly, can we just, we have about 25 students, just give a number to each, so we can save a lot of time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, according to the alphabet. And from one, the next person will go. There's no need to call them and call their name.
Okay. We will do that. Actually, what happens is everybody is not attending all the classes. And nowadays it is 20 people only.
I know, but if the person is not there, they can then he will be skipped and go to the next number.
Okay.
I think that will save some time.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll prepare.
The participant list. If the person is not before us is not there, we ourselves can come and volunteer.
Yes.
In the time.
We will do that. We will do that.
Having all this.
And
like now we have all of us almost are familiar with the person. So we can see the participant.
And the other thing is, and the other thing is, I have prepared the Kannada version of. You asked me to prepare, and I have prepared it. So if you give me a chance, I will say that next class.
In the next class, you please.
Okay. You can correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Astu. Samapayamah va?
Yeah.
Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti. Hari Om.